All right, this is the 5K 72 megapixel Ultra HD digital camera. Look at this thing. The company sent me this product to check out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It comes in some very nice packaging here, and inside the package you are going to get an easy to read user manual. You get a fold-out quick guide here that has some shortcuts to some of the features on there. You get a little wrist strap that you can attach if you like. You get the battery, which I've already installed, and I'll show you that. You get this little carrying bag to carry it in if you want. And you get a decent length, about 3 foot long, USB to Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device right there. It has a 1200 milliamp battery in it. It's lasts you a while. So this is an easy to use 5K 72 megapixel point and shoot camera. I was testing this out in 15-degree Fahrenheit weather and was surprised that the battery held up pretty good in the cold. Going around the unit, we have a decent size 2.8-inch HD screen. It is super lightweight. It weighs about 1/4 pound. The camera comes with a 32 gig storage card already installed inside of there, and I'll show you that. Plenty of room to save high-def pics, and it's right in here next to the battery, right there. If you want to remove the battery, you just pop this up. Battery pulls out, you get a little tab. You can see the 32 gig storage card right there. So going around the unit, we got the flash right here. I showed you the charging port. We have where you put the wrist strap right here, and I showed you the battery. On the top here, we have the power button. You just press and hold that. Lights up to tell you that it's starting up. And welcome. The camera has many features on it. Among them is the autofocus and the built-in flash. So let me show you the autofocus. If you want to autofocus on this, you just press and hold the button for a second. It dials it in, and you take your picture. We have 16x digital zoom on here so that you can capture clear pictures even from a distance. That's pretty cool. Here's your zoom buttons. These 4 buttons right here, a couple of them do different things. For instance, this is the display button or to delete pictures if you want to. So let's go into this display button. I like that you can turn the display on and off. I like having this display on here because when you use these other buttons on here, you can actually see what's going on the display. For instance, you can turn the flash to auto mode right there. You see it right there. Flash on. And turn the flash off again. Over here, you've got this camera function because we're on camera. This button here will automatically switch it to burst. You'll see this camera double up. There you go. If you want to switch it back, you just press the button again, and you see it goes back to single camera shots. Over here, we've got the timer. Now you can see the timer has 2-second, 5-second, 10-second, 15, and 30-second increments, and then you press it again to turn the timer off. The menu button takes you into the camera menu, and you've got a bunch of different options that you can change to suit your liking. For instance, I've got this on 72 megapixels right here. But if you wanted to change that, you have all these different options. Press menu to go back. Smiling face capture. We have beauty, turn off and on. We have the white balance you can change. Filters. There's all kinds of filters on here, and you can scroll across and change them to your liking. Exposure setting, you can change that. Metering. The image quality, I've got it on super high quality right now. There's high quality and standard. And sharpness, you can change ISO. The time watermark, you can turn that on or off. I've got it off. Framing grid. Go back to the top arrow over. You can go into some menu settings. If you press the mode button in the middle right here, you can change different things. When you got videos, slow video, loop, lapse. We have photo, auto photo, burst, and timer. We know burst and timer are on the dial up here already. So you can take 5K videos. Let's just leave it on photo for now. If you go press this button right here, it's the play button. It takes you, you can look at your videos, your photos, and your slides. Just pick the one you want, hit the button, and it takes you to your videos. You can go through here. You can play them on here if you want, or you can look at your photo reel. So you can plug this into your PC using the USB here, and it will show up under your drives as UDisk. You can set it to mass storage mode, PC camera. You can drag and drop files or folders onto your desktop, or you can drag them to a folder, whatever you want. There is a way to use this as a web camera, but I'm old and I've not figured that part out yet. But you can see the function right here. There you go. Nice little lightweight, but powerful, versatile, easy to use, easy to carry camera that's great for people of all ages. Great for birthdays, vacations, events, hiking, camping, everyday use, any event or occasion. Very nice.